In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable developer mode on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select system, and then on the right side, scrolling down, select where it says advanced. Should be an item underneath for developers, developer mode, install apps from any source including loose files. Toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and you will have to restart your computer. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.